think barndominiums are just simple metal barns. Wait until you see these luxury builds, their pure elegance wrapped in steel. Gone are the days of basic, rustic sheds. Today, we're diving into a world where country living meets high-end design, creating some of the most stunning homes you can imagine. Stick around, because these aren't your grandpa's barns, they're architectural masterpieces. So, what exactly transforms a standard barndominium into luxury *1? It's all in the details. We're talking about high-end materials, premium finishes, and a level of custom design that rivals any traditional luxury home. Imagine expansive, open-concept floor plans that stretch for thousands of square feet, where the lines between indoors and outdoors blur thanks to massive walls of glass. These homes are not just beautiful, they're incredibly smart, often packed with the latest home automation and energy-efficient systems that make living both comfortable and sustainable. It's about taking the strong, durable shell of a barndominium and infusing it with sophistication and modern comforts. Let's break down the key design features that define these incredible spaces. On the outside, forget plain metal siding. Luxury barndos often feature stunning combinations of stone, pitchwood accents, and sleek metal panels. You'll see dramatic architectural rooflines, modern exterior lighting that makes the home glow at night, and those incredible glass walls we just mentioned. Step inside, and the wow factor just keeps growing. The first thing you'll likely notice are the soaring vaulted ceilings, often crisscrossed with exposed timber beams or sleek steel trusses. Grand staircases become functional art, leading up to lofts or second stories. The kitchens are a chef's dream, with oversized islands, designer appliances, and custom cabinetry. And the bathrooms, they're full-blown spa sanctuaries. Think freestanding tubs with breathtaking views, walk-in showers with multiple jets, and elegant marble or stone finishes from floor to ceiling. The living spaces are designed around comfort and connection, often anchored by a massive fireplace that serves as a stunning centerpiece, all while large windows frame panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Now, you might be wondering what these layouts actually look like. Let's explore a few popular luxury floor plans to give you an idea of the possibilities. First up, we have a sprawling 4,000 square foot modern farmhouse barndo. This design often includes 4 or 5 bedrooms, a huge attached multi-car garage or workshop, and a massive covered patio for outdoor entertaining. Next, consider a 3,200 square foot open concept plan. This one is all about airy, connected living. It typically features a dramatic great room with a 2-story ceiling, a spacious loft overlooking the main living area that can serve as an office or a cozy den, and even a dedicated home theater for the ultimate movie night experience. For those who love outdoor living, a 2,800 square foot barndo focused on indoor-outdoor flow is perfect. Imagine sliding glass walls that open from the living room directly onto a patio with a sparkling pool and a fully equipped outdoor kitchen. It's the ideal setup for hosting unforgettable summer parties. And of course, the beauty of a barndominium is its customizability. Many people design their own plans from scratch to fit their unique lifestyle, incorporating features like a professional-grade workshop, an artist's studio, or even a completely separate guest suite for visitors. To keep these homes on the cutting edge of design, let us talk about the top luxury finishes and decor trends we're seeing for 2025. One of the biggest trends is the sophisticated use of matte black and brushed gold or champagne bronze accents. You'll see this on everything from faucets and light fixtures to window frames and cabinet hardware. It adds a touch of modern elegance that contrasts beautifully with the rustic elements. Floor-to-ceiling windows and massive sliding glass doors are no longer just an option, they're practically a standard feature in luxury barndos. They flood the interior with natural light and create that seamless connection to the outdoors. Lighting has also become a major focal point. Forget boring fixtures, we're seeing sculptural, high-end chandeliers and minimalist track lighting that highlight the home's architectural features. When it comes to materials, the trend is all about authenticity and nature. A blend of natural stone, warm wood, and cool marble is used throughout the home to create texture and visual interest. This combination feels both luxurious and grounded, perfectly capturing the essence of the modern barndominium. Okay, let's talk numbers. What does a luxury barndominium actually cost? While a basic barndo shell can be very affordable, a high-end, turnkey luxury build typically ranges from $200 to $300 per square foot, and sometimes more. The final price tag depends heavily on the level of customization, the quality of the finishes you choose, and your location. A designer kitchen with sub-zero appliances or a bathroom decked out in Italian marble will naturally increase the cost. However, there is a great option for those who want high-end quality with a more streamlined process: prefab luxury kits. These kits come with pre-engineered components and high-quality materials, which can speed up the construction timeline significantly while ensuring a precise and durable build. It's a fantastic way to get that custom look without starting completely from scratch. Now for the best part, let us look at a few real-life examples that will truly blow you away. First up is a stunning modern barndo in the Texas Hill Country. Its exterior is a sleek mix of black steel and warm cedar wood. Inside, a 25-foot vaulted ceiling with exposed steel trusses dominates the great room. The centerpiece is a floating staircase with glass railings, leading to a loft that overlooks the entire space. The kitchen is a minimalist masterpiece with handleless cabinets and a massive waterfall quartz island. Next, let's head to a property in Montana. This barndominium looks like a modern mountain retreat. It uses huge panels of glass to capture breathtaking mountain views from every single room. The interior features a two-sided stone fireplace that separates the living and dining areas, creating both a visual anchor and a cozy atmosphere. The master bathroom here is pure bliss, with a deep soaking tub placed right in front of a picture window. It's the perfect blend of rugged and refined. These examples prove that the only limit is your imagination. Every detail, from the layout to the light fixtures, is chosen to create a home that is both a work of art and a comfortable, functional living space. So, why has the luxury barndominium trend exploded in popularity? It's pretty simple. First, it offers the perfect blend of a relaxed, country lifestyle with the modern comforts and sophisticated design you'd expect in a high-end urban home. You get the peace and quiet of rural living without sacrificing an ounce of style. Second, even at the luxury level, they can still be more cost-effective than a traditionally constructed home of the same size and quality. The efficiency of the steel frame construction can save both time and money. And finally, it's all about customization. A barndominium is a blank canvas. You can design it to perfectly match your lifestyle, whether you need a massive garage for your car collection, a home gym, or an art studio with perfect natural light. It's a home designed for living, not just for looking at. Luxury barndominiums prove that you can live big, live stylishly, and still keep that rustic soul. They are a testament to creative architecture and a new way of thinking about what a dream home can be. I hope this has inspired you to see barndominiums in a whole new light. If you enjoyed this tour of high-end builds, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing home design showcases. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.